minimum pips from 5 minute to 1 box. I'm gonna have to open this up a little bit. Boom. Okay, so I have it disabled right now because I have these set to true. If you set this to false, you should definitely have this not set to 0. This is the distance between the 5 and the 1 minute boxes. Now, I have it set to 0 and disabled because if I have a collapse and a cross, then it's okay. I really don't care about the 1 minute boxes. They're more noise in that situation because I won't mind if a price floats up to the high here and holds under the high. I would still take that trade if we're crossed and we're collapsed. So what the 1 minute boxes, if you don't disable it in that situation, they could float up and disable a really good entry on a nice trade. But just if you keep this at 0, strategy tip, make these true. If you don't want to keep these true because you want more entries, put yourself some requirements here. And just watch some reversal videos if you really want to know some strategy there. Minimum pips to 15-minute box, same thing. So here I've got it disabled. So here already we're actually below it. So now if this was set to any number, you would no longer get 5-minute reversals.